Hello everybody, this is Dr. Ponnaya. I'm a neurointensivist. I'm practicing at MGM Healthcare, Chennai. So in today's lecture on neuroanesthesiology series, we'll be talking about approach to neuroemergencies. We simply call this as code brain. You all might have heard of what code blue is. It's cardiac arrest. It's a code. So a team approach has to be there and everybody should assemble to the area where the cardiac arrest has happened. And we need to follow a set of protocols that is shown to improve patient outcomes. Similarly, approach to neuroemergencies should follow a code that we call it as code brain. So why neuroemergencies are important? You know, in an emergency, time is very, very important. Especially when it comes to brain, time is very important, and the most important thing in brain injury is the time. We call this as time is brain. Of course, for any emergencies, the treatment has to be initiated as quickly as possible because that is how we will be able to give a good outcome. More so, it is important in brain because, you know, brain, once a damage happens, then it is irreversible. There is no replacement for brain. So what happens here is why we stress again and again that time is brain is, you can see in this picture, there is an area which is already infarcted and there is another area surrounding the infarcted area which can go in for an infarct if we didn't act properly. If we act properly and we treat the cause, then only that area will be infarcted and the rest of the area will become normal and the patient will remain to function normally after that. Suppose if we don't do anything about that, then the whole area which was blue, which was the penumbra, is going to get infarcted and this patient is not going to do well in terms of mortality as well as morbidity. So this concept is called time is brain. The quicker you are to intervene in such a situation, may it be acute stroke or may it be a trauma with the head injury or maybe it a meningoencephalitis, if we act quickly, then we can salvage most of the brain. So in neuroemergencies, the most important thing is that maintaining your focus. Because so many things will happen in an emergency that you will lose focus and try to concentrate on some other thing which may not be relevant at that particular instant.